What's up? It's your girl from BIGBAKEROLL TV, and you're tuning into episode 30. What's up, you guys? So for today's dessert, we will be making a unicorn cake roll. So I am so excited for this episode because I finally got the sheet pan in order to make this cake roll. So we already have our pan prepared, so we just got some foil and we just sprayed it for the cake, but we put foil down because you know the cake roll, you have to take it out when it's done and when it's still hot and all that stuff, but I'll get into that later. But yeah, we already have our pan prepared for the cake, and we have all our ingredients for the cake right here. We are making the cake from scratch today, and we're making the filling from scratch, and I'm so excited because I can't wait to see how this is going to turn out. So let's go ahead and get into it. My mom also bought me these unicorn sprinkles right here, which is perfect for today's episode, so I'm excited to use those. So this idea is from Pinterest, so I will be using their instructions. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to see the recipe and do it. The link will be in the description. So yeah, I'll be looking at my phone to follow all the instructions. So first, we already have our oven preheated to 350, and we already have our pan prepared, so we already have that down. And now we're gonna hop over to make this cake. Okay, so first we're gonna start by cracking 3 eggs, and then we're just gonna whisk those into the nice and fluffy.
And I've been trying to find myself. Should have known it wouldn't last, but we built our house all out of lies. And I know you tried, I tried. It must have been a different time. You lied, I cried. Eventually the tears they dried. No, they tell me I'm jaded, but they always come back running.
Okay guys, so now that the eggs are like foamy like that, we're gonna go ahead and add 3/4 cups of sugar and mix that in for about 2 minutes.
Don't know me. No, you don't know me at all anymore. Clearing up the energy around me. I lost you, myself, and us, and then I found me.
Let's go ahead and lift this up because we're adding a few more. So we have 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we're also going to be adding our vanilla and oil right now. So we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, that's a little bit over, but that's okay. Vanilla never hurt nobody. And 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Okay, so that's all of our ingredients, and now we're going to mix that. Okay, so our cake mix is about done. I'm just scraping the sides to get the extra flour that didn't get mixed in yet. And I'm gonna let that mix for a little bit more. But I think that this cake is not like our original cake, because I think I made a cake from scratch one time, but I don't remember. But I think I did, but this cake seems like more like foamy. I think that was the point of like fluffing the eggs first, but I think it's so it can be easier to roll. I don't really know about roll cakes. I just always wanted to make one because they look so fun to make. So yeah, but it's almost done. It's about done. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this mix for like not too long, not even a minute, like, because like it's just little like dust of flour. It's not like thick chunks or anything. So maybe like 30 seconds to a minute, no more than a minute. Okay, so we have all of our neon food coloring right here. So we have pink, green, purple, orange, blue. And unicorn colors, you guys already know, it's kind of like pink and purple. So I think I'm going to do pink, purple, and blue. Yeah, but anyway, we have those right there. And we're going to split the cake into 3. And then we're going to dye them 3 separate colors to get the unicorn effect. Time to put all of these in the pan, and this is the part that I'm kind of nervous for because I don't know how I want to place each color so that when they bake and when I cut it, I want to be able to make it look a certain way, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm thinking to just like, you know how they put the spoon and they put it in the middle, but that's going to take a really long time, and I want it to fill up like the whole pan. So I'm thinking, should I do like pink, blue, purple? I don't know how to do. I don't know what I should do. Cause on a thing, like she swirled hers, but I don't really know how to swirl it. So maybe I should do the spoon thingy. It's gonna take a while, but we're just gonna go for it, you know? Might as well. So pink. Okay, that looks good. So I think we're gonna do it like this. Okay, so we have this, and it actually looks really good, but I think I'm gonna swirl it just so it can get like, Okay guys, back at the stand mixer, we are going to be whipping up 1 quart of heavy cream, and this seems like a lot for the small cake, but we're filling the cake and we are like putting icing on top of the cake for decoration. So we have 1 quart of heavy whip, and we are going to be using some vanilla flavored jello powder. We're just gonna use the whole pack, but this is the small box right here. I'm really excited for this filling because like jello filling, like, sounds really good. So just pour the whole pack in there. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this consistency. What? This is what jello powder does? I might just start making all my icing with jello powder. But let's see how it tastes. But this was, I did, yeah, about 3 minutes. But this is nice. This is really nice. Look at this. Never seen something like it before. No, I'm just but yes. I love it. This is really nice. So now we are going to add some powdered sugar for the sweetness, of course. So we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and then we're going to add more, like, for my liking, because you know, like, heavy cream doesn't really have much sweetness to it. So yeah, but I'm really in love with this consistency. Like, okay guys, so we have our filling right here, and now we're going to unroll the cake. So yeah, the edge is cracked, but we're just gonna take that off. Place it to the side. And then some icing in there. That. Okay, that should be good for now. And then I'm gonna take my spatula and just spread. I know I'm gonna need more than this, but just trying to see.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. I wrote a sad song, sunshine on my
Okay, so now that we have the cake all rolled up, I'm gonna let it sit to the side. And now we're gonna divide our icing into 3 folds and color it again just how we did the cake. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the pink. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. The lady just spread and swirled, so I'm gonna try that method. So I'm gonna put like a little pink in the middle. And purple and blue on the outside, and then I'm gonna basically just freestyle the rest.
Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now, 'cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Say I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so now we're gonna take the unicorn stickers and just sprinkle them on top. Okay guys, so I finished decorating the cake and it came out really cute. So yeah, check out the pictures on my Instagram at BIGBAKEROLL TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post. And bake sale is almost over. Well, it's almost the last day to place your order, so make sure you click the link in my bio to place your order. Last day to place your order is Tuesday. All desserts are going out May 1st, so make sure you guys stay tuned, place your order, and be ready. I'm so excited. So with that being said, I will see you guys next week. Bye.